Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can generate uh, these types of videos, reels and images. You can make influencers like AI influencers for free. You don't need to pay for images and videos. So I already made a workflow for this. For that, you just need data tables. You just need to create data tables for influencer. Oh yeah, by the way, uh, I, this workflow credit goes to AI agents A to Z, and I took from them. But um, this is a workflow, but to generate images and these videos, you need some uh, what you can say. You need some subscription of Fall AI or Replicate. For that, you need to pay something, but for this, I'm paying anything. And see these types of video I'm getting. They are looks so cool and very well, like with a very good model. I made these videos. So how can I'm doing? So let me show you how this workflow works. I will share the workflow in my school community. You just need to go to execute, and how it works is it just open up a form. Uh, Wait a minute. On comment, it's lagging. I don't know why. What is happening? But as soon as the form is open, it asks you these types of questions. The questions are, what do you want to do? Like add a new influencer, and you just need a reference image for that as well. So according to that, after it runs, wait a minute. Let me run this again. Hope it will run. Let me show you again. I don't know what is happening in the comment. It's great, giving some error. Okay, leave it. So how it works is it will go to generate image, uh, workflow, and it gives you some images. Let me show you. And for the video, you just need to select a video in the form. It's very simple. And for setup, um, you just need to create an AI influencer as soon as the forms arrive. After that, you need three databases for that. Three data tables, sorry. One is influencer, and just name them as it is: influencer post, and influencer weekly plans. And just copy paste all these values, like this last ID, this one. Okay, and paste it in here for all three: influencer ID, this and this. Okay, so it's just set up very easily. Then after, you just need to go to Lightning AI or anything you want to use for free GPU. So Lightning AI gives you 15 credits per month, which is very good. You can do anything, and they offer I guess what we can say, they offer good models as well. um, uh, like wait a second, let me show you their pricing. uh, Compute new studio, you just need to create a studio for that. So let me show you. So I deployed already a studio for the image. I will share it with you how it works. I can't show you because of some copyright issue. I will share this my a notebook of the image. It will help you to create uh, your type of video and images. Like if you want to create 9 by 16, then it will give you whatever you like. You can just change the setting and you are good to go. And then what you are going to do is simple, and just copy that Gradio link, and I will share the sub workflow as well. It's already set up here, and after that you just need to run and fill the form. That's it. You will get these types of uh, uh, videos, reels, and images. They look so good. And one more, I guess, see, one influencer I also made. The name of that. Let me search. Wait a second. See, wait, yes. Oh yeah, this one. You don't think that? So, do you think that it's generated by AI or anything? No, they are not. No, I mean they look very real, and they are not generated by AI. Oh, they are generated by AI, but so yeah, you can make these types of reels and images very easily. So thank you, and if you have any question, just comment in this video. I will share you all the things. Um, and if you have any questions related to anytime, just ping me a message in on Telegram. I will share it with you, and you don't need to. You just need to uh, use these types of models, and it's very good. So good luck.